Okay, so our IR is equals to V over I. So we have 500 volts, tapos yung 0.5 micro, yung micro natin that is times 10 to the power of negative 6. Yan. Okay. So we have 500 divided by 0.5 times 10 to the power of negative 6. This is equal to, so ito lang ang ESD natin. Okay. So pag hindi siya pwede dito sa ink, so that it will become an xi prefixes. So we have 1 times 10 to the power of 9. So we have, this is equal to 1 times 10 to the power of 9 ohms. Itong 10 to the power of 9, that is giga. So we have 1 giga ohms. No? And this is our answer. Okay.